shorties never thought I dreamed about rapping hardcore. No, I ain't got a gun. No, I never lived in a club. Still live with my parents, but I'm still a thug. I'm so gangster. You can find me baking cookies at night. You out clubbing, but I just made Carol delight. T-Swift and T-Pain rapping on the same track. It's a thug story. Tell me, can you handle that? I had a dream last night. I had my top nights. I had diamonds in my mouth and diamonds on my life. By the time I woke, I was singing. I'm on the boat. Cause I'm a signature rapper.
Sorry, I'ma make ya.
Straight to the top, yo.
Sorry, I'ma take
You can
ya.
call me T-Swift, now I'm a rap star.
Hey, it's a thug story now. Tell them who you are. So you turn gangsta.
You don't wanna fight me?
Straight to the top.
In my extra small white
T's
tee.
looking T-Pain all up on the same track. It's a thug story now. Can you get with that?
What? I need sweaters, yo. What? Don't tell me. Hey, hold on. I didn't even say anything. I said yo. You guys believe me and I didn't even say anything. I didn't even swear.
She didn't even swear.
Hello?